Having the backup now option grayed out on your WhatsApp on your iPhone? This could be caused by network issues, iCloud settings, or insufficient storage. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the grayed out backup now option on WhatsApp. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go and check whether your iCloud backup working or not in your WhatsApp. If not, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp, then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. This is how you can fix the grayed out backup now option problem on WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like and share it with others who might need it. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.